Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Ayur Yoga Mudra Therapy. So now today I am going to tell you about one of the remedy for nocturnal emission or wet dream or nightfall. So in many names it is common. We call this as mainly we call this as nightfall or wet dream. So most of us also knows what is wet dream. If not, no, I will give a brief introduction. So what is wet dream? Wet dream means the involuntary ejaculation of semen from the penis. So this is a medical condition occurs at night or in dreams. The involuntary ejection of semen from the penis and causing wet dream. So this may be causes this having many people are affected by this problem, and this will cause a serious problem like their personality, mental problem, etc. So this is a serious issue. Nocturnal emission or this uh, nightfall is a very common problem happening in adult age, and in some persons after 30 age also this is happening. Some married persons are also suffering from this problem. So now I am going to tell you how to cure this issue with a simple remedy. This now I am here describing about one Ayurvedic remedy for this. So in this, one of the interesting thing is the same plant part which causes or which increases the wet dream, and the same plant, another part of the plant will cure for the wet dream. So this is one of the interesting thing. So the fruit is the tamarind. You are know about tamarind, everybody is know about tamarind, because most of our curries in food, if we are using tamarind, we are using tamarind for taste purpose, and other medical use also we are using tamarind. So this tamarind will cause us wet dreams. So if you are suffering from wet dreams, please avoid tamarind. Or if you are not able to avoid fully, then reduce the use of tamarind. So you must reduce the use of tamarind. If you are suffering from wet dreams, you must reduce the use of tamarind. So you can also notice, if you eat more tamarind in a day, then there will be wet dreams will happen. So please avoid this. And now I am going to tell you about the remedy in the plant. So that is the seed of the tamarind, that is tamarind seed. So tamarind seed is fully with rich in sulfur, zinc, and so much minerals. So it is a well known source for cure sexual problems such as wet dreams, premature ejaculation, erectile dysfunction, or the low sperm count. So if you use the tamarind seed, then you can cure this. So now I am going to tell you about how to use the tamarind seed. First of all first of all you need to take the tamarind seed. Then now I'm going to tell how to use tamarind seed. Now take tamarind seed, 400 gram or 200 gram tamarind seed. Now first we need to fry the tamarind seed. For this fry purpose, you must have a iron pan. For this, don't use any steel or aluminum don't use. You must, at least you can use steel or iron pan for this purpose. So first take the tamarind seed and then put this on this iron pan and fry the seed very well. So after fry, then grind this into a powdered format. So you will get a brown colored powder of the turmeric seed powder. So this the color of the turmeric powder is brown. Better you can purchase the powder directly from the market, but you must be more careful, because we cannot trust the powder what it is exactly. So more one thing better, you can purchase the tamarind seed and then dry it in iron pan, then you can make the powder. So the powder must be in brown color format, the color of them. Then the next thing is, take 1 glass of milk and mix 1 tablespoon of this tamarind seed on it, then mix well, because the taste must be not good. There may be somebody doesn't like the taste. So another thing is, apply some ghee to it, uh, ghee and honey. If you don't use ghee, if you don't like ghee, then don't use, no problem. You need to use honey also. So you can mix the tamarind, milk and honey. 1 tablespoon of tamarind, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of tamarind, 1 glass of milk, and the honey, 1 tablespoon of honey. You can mix well and drink at the time of before that sleep. You can drink this mixture. So this remedy will cure your wet dreams completely. You can continue this process for 41 days, and continuously you need to follow this for 41 days, and after 41 days you can completely cure this your wet dreams. And this is a remedy for any other problems such as premature ejaculation and disinfection or digestion problem, and this will increase the happy married life. So this turmeric seed has so much importance in the sexual problems, and it will increase the semen quality and semen, and this is so much good for the married couple, those who having any problem. And this will also increase the digestion and so much good for the body, and increases the stamina also. If you are doing workout, then you can daily have this tamarind powder, so it will help in digestion and every process. It is rich in vitamin, so you can add this on your diet also. If you don't like it, like to drink it with the milk, then you can add this with the other products, such as some your food item. You can also mix this with turmeric seed with your food items also. So you can use you can try this, and you can add your comments and your feedback on my channel and on my video. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, please like my video, please subscribe my channel. Surely I will come with another video regarding health issue. Thanks. I wish everybody have a fruitful healthful life. Thank you.